Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Black Friday and Cyber Monday is here. In return to your love and support over the past year, Quality Official Store has a special offer for you. We have lowest price ever from 26th to 30th November.
Hi, this is Yana. The Ender 3 series good price for you. The Ender 3 now is $169 and the Ender 3 Pro $188 and the Ender 3 V2 now is $236.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason. As for the Seer family, we have Seer 10 for down to only $299. We have Seer 10 V2 for $369, Seer 10 V3 for $431, and Seer 10S Pro V2 for only $512.
Okay, for Ender 5 Plus, we got only $495, and for the Ender 5 Pro, we got only $306. It's really low prices.
Wow, the important Seer 6 SE just now $349. And by the way, we will announce the Seer 6 SE winners. Dun dun dun, look at